Right, this is the last day in the apartment. Thank God. Everything is cleaned out. Bathroom is totally empty except for some toilet paper in case we have to pee. And then hall closet is empty. Oh, yeah. Sorry, those knots looked like pliers handles. Bedroom, totally empty. Deck is totally empty. Closets, empty. A couple little things on the floor. Spare room is totally empty. Closet's totally empty. The only thing that's going to be an issue is getting this big old desk here out. And then we need to finish taking the last of this stuff out and take the shelves apart. A little bit left in the kitchen, mostly junk. And then giveaway box. Giveaway. That one's to sell. And then it's mostly just the little stuff. And then we are out of here.